This is the best part.
Could you please take off the sticker?
I don't feel like taking off right now. Let's turn it
Let's
on.
switch on the phone. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's a quick unboxing of iPhone
10R.
10R.
128.
It's
GB
128
variant.
GB with HD plus resolution.
And there we have it.
Okay, so it's a quick starting of the phone. So we are setting up the phone. It will be a quick setup. So guys, as you can see, the phone is still getting set up.
इसको प्लीज एडिट करके अपलोड करना.
As you can see, it's still getting set up. So a good thing about this product, the display is quite crisp. As you can see, it's an HD plus display, but still the screen is looking amazing. It's a retina display.
So the display resolution is kind of an 828p-ish, which is pretty weird, but again,
But looking at the quality of the screen, I think it's good.
it is good, no doubt
So you
about
can't
that.
you can't complain about the resolution size now, but the screen overall is looking very nice.
So
A very
from-
crisp contrast, I must say.
From normal viewing distances, you can't figure out whether it is an HD plus display or an HD display, because like my friend said, that the display is very crisp, the contrast levels are quite nice, and it kind of makes up for the lack of OLED panel.
Okay, one quick question from you. How long you think it would take to get set up?
It will take some bit of time.
Okay. So what portion of setup is going on?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that was a quick unboxing from our end, and I hope that I'll be able to bring a review video of this iPhone XR model, and I'm going to display the complete experience of ours. Till the time, have a nice day and Jai Hind.